Okay, so he bought something brand new. This is a boosted board. Explain for the people, if they don't know what this is, explain to them what it is.
Like the OG of electric skateboards, probably has the most like pedigree when it comes down to electric skateboards. A lot of them are like knockoffs of boosted boards.
These guys are like the OG, the founders, the ones that created it all, and I'm sure you guys recognize it from vlogs all across YouTube, starting with Casey Neistat, fucking Jesse Wellens. There's so many people that in the industry that use these, but they got discontinued. This is something that came out closer to the 2019, which is towards the end of their run before they got discontinued as a company. Overall, though, absolute dream. Originally, this exact one was priced at about $700, but most models were over $1,000. He got this for a couple $100 though, with only 100 miles on the range. Show them what it's capable of.
Well, it goes 0 to 20 pretty quick, so that's always fun. But
it's ridiculously fast, and it has the coolest noise. Also, me and Griffin are super familiar with riding penny boards. So this being a shorter style based skateboard is really cool and very close to the styles of skateboard that we actually ride. Now, the very popular model is the longboard version, which in my opinion doesn't exactly promote like super easy travel, because it is heavy to pick up and it's a lot of weight to carry. I think some models are uppers of like 20 pounds, if I remember correctly, for like the big...
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Some of those are even heavier.
And this is what, 16, 17 pounds or something?
15.
15 pounds?
You can pick it up.
It's actually not that bad. The iconic orange wheels, it's really not that heavy. Like, this is something that I could carry, and I feel pretty comfortable carrying for like pretty long periods of time.
This is also the only battery of boosteds that can go on airplanes. So
I love the boosted bump stop on the end right there for skids. The wood with the plane, the color of the graphic is insane. I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly, this board is made out of bamboo.
The board alone, by the way, is a $150 board. Just the board.
Yeah, just the wood part of this.
The wooden piece. Yeah. That's on boosterboard.com right now. You can get that for $150 right now.
That's crazy.
Never mind the whole fucking thing. So.
Okay, I have been on one ages ago, but I didn't ride it for any sort of period of time.
Longboard.
Yeah, I was on a longboard one.
This is the miniature.
Yes.
So.
This is the one that I wanted if I was ever going to get one. It is ridiculous.
Couple things. Don't die. Second thing, this is how you control it. The turn radius on it is really, really bad. Actually, do you have a T-tool?
No.
Shit. I really wanted to loosen these trucks.
I have, like, wrenches in my garage, but we can do that later.
Okay, extremely light on the controls. Ready? You have to press in the trigger, and then from there it's good. Backwards is to reverse. Mm-hmm. You see how little I move it and immediately starts already creeping? Mm-hmm. This thing will go 0 to, if I just flick it forward, it goes quick. You will get launched off of it. Your feet will go in the air. So you got to go so slow.
I got you.
So that's
you want to trade? You want to trade tools?
I'll trade a little bit.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, very light. You're gonna shoot it out if you try to go quick. Perfect. So,
Good thing it has a bump stop.
It's fine. I did not want the rear of my skateboard anyways, so. I've done this before. That's why. I did not do it like that. I did not eat shit like that, but.
Hey, I walked it off.
The board is not the same, but.
That's ridiculous. You need a helmet. I'm being so serious.
Oh, trust me, I know this.
I have a helmet at Dad's. It has stickers on it. Really
I might genuinely wear my motorcycle helmet. I'm not kidding on this. This thing is serious business. What the app looks like. There's not a lot of different settings. Do you need this to work?
No, you don't. This is just so I can change more options.
So I have a question. Does it track mileage then if it's not connected?
Yes, it will repair. It's got like an ECU basically. It has an odometer. It counts it. So this is now in beginner mode. Okay. You had last time started off in expert mode. There's beginner.
So you pretty much set me up for the most crazy version of it instead of giving me the tame beginner.
See, I thought you'd been riding skateboards for so
I have,
long
but
that it should be so
I have, but
easy.
a mechanical skateboard is
So
very different.
easy.
Very,
No,
very, very
no,
different.
it's basically the same thing,
Okay,
actually.
we'll take this. This time I won't ollie it.
But yeah,
in there.
basically there is a beginner, there's a eco mode, which is the most amount of mileage that you can get off of this thing, and then there's an expert mode, which is basically for like quick top speed stuff. So.
Oh, this is lovely. I was always driving this.
Oh wait, you want to play the in-between mode? It's called eco. It's the best mileage. Wouldn't the trucks being loose just help?
This is perfect amount of fun.
Wait, let me put it in medium mode now. This is the eco mode. This is what like most people. Okay, you're gonna shin yourself so hard. Oh, and you don't get that much speed, and you won't.
I don't need the expert mode. I'm good.
I will only ride in like expert. I absolutely love the boosted boards, and this is definitely the best one, not being so large.
Is perfect.
What?
The top speed isn't crazy. The acceleration is manageable. You put me on literally trying to kill.
I need to go expert. What do you mean? Wait, let me feel. I've not even felt the eco mode yet.
Eco mode is perfect.
Also, by the way, this remote is this won't focus on it. It is so nice.
That is something. It's almost not even recording it, but that's the back end of the board. That is the front of the board. He just wrote it backwards. That's a perfect mode. It's not ludicrous. The acceleration.
The other one.
Shut the fuck up. You cannot tell me that that's not like a more comfortable mode to drive in.
It is less sketch, but because of less sketch, less fun.
It's like me putting my Mustang in track mode every fucking day. I don't need to do it. I just turn off traction.
And it would be more fun.
I do it, but then I lose all gas.
It's true. This thing mileage does go from like it's like 8 miles to it's like 4.5 in expert mode.
Jesus Christ.
So you kill like half of it just because of the quick speed.
That's my fuel. It literally goes from 25 miles per gallon instead down to like 14 or 11. Yeah.
So yeah, either way.
Okay. I wanted to do like an official review. This dude just took it through the grass. What I want to do is I want to take an official review and drive either on the sidewalk or on the street right here and quickly give a review of how I like the board. Okay, the official boosted board mini review. I know this is like 3 years old, 4 years old, but let's fucking do it. Click in. Slow, ease on the throttle.
He gone. Damn, that thing's quick. I can definitely tell he's maxing that shit out. He's having a good time with it. Let's see what the official review is.
Oh my god. Out of 10, I give that like 9.3 out of 10. That is almost a perfect driving experience as far as like, I felt stable. The top speed of this mode, which is the eco mode, it felt like literally perfectly balanced where like I was able to top it out and still feel comfortable driving it. This Griffin is the best $200 I think either you or me have spent. This is incredible. This is like, what, you got it for $280?
Yeah, 280.
Absolutely incredible. Yeah, no. How long does it take this for this thing to charge?
No idea.
Cool.
Yeah, I can also get the upgraded battery pack from the X. But yeah, there's also a lot of other things. There's actually, by the way, you don't want to know something fun?
Yeah.
Bigger wheels means that you're able to go quicker. 2 mile an hour is quicker. So.
Your ankle.
No, I'm just looking at the board. Sorry.
No, this thing's also like beautiful. Like aesthetically, this board is like my favorite. It also felt. So we drove road penny boards, literally for like years. Like you and me rode the nickel boards for like 4 to 5 years.
Wait, nickel?
Nickel.
4? Bro, I've been riding mine since.
Oh, fucking
since
high school. Never mind. Hold up, 8 years. Sorry. Whoa.
No, 10.
Oh yeah, probably 10.
13 is when I first got my first board. I'm now 24. We're going on 11.
I got it before you did. So
We're
I
going
gotta
on
be
11.
longer.
Well, I rode your penny board down that one street down by Dad's. That was when I was 13. I got my board when I was 14 because it was freshman year of high school.
Anyways,
Because it's a perfect mixture of being able to go quick, also being able to have the compact size, because like longboards are just huge.
and it was plastic, dude. You had
Oh, yeah.
ridden over a bus and it still
The
went
bus,
back.
we saw it shoot. The bus shot out my skateboard like
So,
a
like,
rocket, and it still works to this
realistically,
day.
As far as like a board feels, like Nickels feel decent, right?
Yeah.
This feels like a Land Cruiser. The reason for it being is it has the wider shape and the stubbier, but it has so much stability because how much further the wheels are.
Yeah.
If I show you my Land Cruiser, which I just brought upstairs, it almost has like the same dimensions. And, it
And
feels more
Land
sleek.
Cruiser, do you mean the Land Yachty?
Land yachts, yeah. Sorry,
Yeah.
I said Land Cruiser.
Yeah, I just want to make sure Land Yachty
So
is
I'm
a.
thinking Toyota.
Yeah, you're thinking cars.
No, but as far as land yachts go, this feels so much more like that. Like it feels so much more stable.
Oh yeah.
It's still light enough where I can like pivot this thing around in cities or anything I really need.
Especially if it's loosened, bro. Imagine the demon hours
you
were
know
gonna
me,
be on
I lose my
downtown.
board to the point where like all my like skater friends are like, you're gonna kill yourself because of how loose your board is. So
I've not fallen on a board, by the way, since 2020 during COVID. I've literally not fallen on a skateboard, right? And I ride a skateboard pretty much every day.
I don't think I've fallen.
I ride it through downtown every day. So now,
Don't let Jacob ride. He will kill himself.
I was literally about to say this.
I'm
Jacob's gonna
insert a
kill
clip
himself.
Of Jacob falling off a board, going down a hill, bombing it, and absolutely bailing 2 times in a row. He's like, let's run it back. It was not fun.
It was so much fun. Let's do it twice.
Let's run it back.
So nice, had to do it twice.
Alright, so if you guys are thinking about picking up one of these, I would definitely recommend it. The secondhand market is relatively cheap, as we just shown. And on top of that, if you're looking at other like off-name brands for electric skateboards or electric scooters, which are really popular right now, I have to be honest, I think the boosted board is going to be unmatched. I think it has a lot of reliability. There's aftermarket modification that you can do to these boards, and it has that name brand feel to it, where it's just like, how do I explain? Like, it's like Apple, where it's just like smooth. Everything's integrated
quality.
flawlessly.
It's quality.
100%.
This is a quality setup.
Yeah.
Even for a plastic remote, I've never felt a plastic remote that feels so
I know, it
good
felt
in my hand.
it felt like
And
solid.
responsive. It's exactly when you press, it goes
Yeah.
exactly, which is like nice. The precision, everything about
It's
it.
100%. I would honestly recommend, if you have the money, look for one locally, pick it up. You can probably get one on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and easily find one for only a couple $100.
Just make sure you target low mileage ones, the high mileage ones. Also make sure that they don't have water damage. Since it is a wooden board and it's not like a penny board,
Yeah.
you actually have to be careful of the water.
Especially because we're in the fucking Midwest. Like, this shit
Oh, yeah.
could have been ridden in the winter. Like, we have to be careful. So,
Yeah.
this thing's definitely cool if you guys are looking at it. But as always, drop a subscribe, comment, like, let me know what you guys want to see from this thing or from anything else on the channel. And I will continue to show you cool and brand new ways of travel, whether or not it is cars or skateboard related. Drop a subscribe. Let me know what you guys thought about this board. Peace.
Big crib, living solitary. New whip with the interior cream.